Today we know how to create some grids. Okay, come here, grid icon, or you can use shortcut key GR. Click here and you can click here. You will see one. Next, automatic it will take 2. As per your project requirement, you can make grid as you want to make. For example, we are taking 4 grids in vertical, and now we can take 3 grids in horizontal. But in horizontal we can replace number with by alphabet. We can write A. After that it will automatically take B, A, B and C. Here grid is created as per your requirement. Let's see some grid features. Suppose this is grid head. If you want to replace this circular head, you can click here, go in edit type, center segment, grid head circle symbol, click here, grid head no bubbles. Okay, you can see there will be no bubbles. Bubble is not there. If you want to bring that bubble again, you can click here, edit, click here, grid head circle and OK. That's it. Now we can see another features. Suppose color, you want to change the color of the grid, click here, you can select any color as per your choice. See, color has been changed. If you want to change the horizontal color in another color and vertical in another color, then you can change also. Take this one, edit option, duplicate, create duplicate, right here, give some name, anything you can give. Color, let's take orange. Okay, you can see this one, only one. Now you can change these two. We have here bubble new, we have created bubble new. In this way you can change, bubble new. See, you can change the grid color as per your requirement. Okay, if you want to manage the distance, click here, if you want to change the distance of these two grids, you can click here, you can give 15 feet, it will automatically change. You can also add elbow, you can manage this as per your requirement. Where you want to place, you can place. If you want to change this line thickness, you can also change this line's pattern. Go to edit, here, click here, see, you can select anything. Overhead, see, the line has been changed, the pattern of the line has been changed. So in this way you can create grid. In this way you can create grid. Okay, if you want to give this head in both side, usually in bigger project we use head in both side. So you can click here, go to edit, click here, apply. Okay, like you can see this both side head. In this also go and edit type, give head, see both side head. Okay, or another, you can take grid, you want to, and pick line, you can create in this way also. Pick line, give your offset as per your project requirement, 10 feet, it will automatically click 10 feet. See, in this how you can create grid also. Thank you.